Hello everyone, my name is Convivial. If today is the first time when you see this channel, I bet you try subscribe, like and share with people who non say the language go fit stay help. Mi chiamo Convivial, questo è il mio canale, iscrivetevi, condividete e mettete like. Okay. Guys, now remember I said the last time when we talk about irregular verbs, we can talk say irregular verbs they don't get rules where they till they recognize them. Always say like now just crime now everybody they crime am. I can't tell you now say I list them come outside, but I got to do them small so that we'll still crime am. Okay? And today we go do extra theory again. Oggi ne faremo altri 3. Ok, dei verbi irregolari. Ok. Which verb will we choose today? Today we choose bere. If you now watch the previous video, now go remember say bere, it means to drink. Then sapere means to know. Uscire means to go out. Okay. But we start from bere. We talk say not to drink. Okay. If I want to talk about me, how I want to talk io bevo. Io bevo. I drink. Tu bevi. Tu bevi. You drink. Lei beve. Lei beve. She drinks. Lui beve. Lui beve. He drinks. Noi beviamo. Noi beviamo. We drink. Loro, no, voi. What in be voi? Una remember? Voi, I know saying that this one they give una difficulty. Voi na you or like it don't pass. I know that they repeat this because many people, if now maybe for instance now person will never see my videos before, you know go really know understand. Or people where they don't see my videos before, you know say na small, you see they hard them to know. Voi na una for pigeon. Voi bevete, ok? E loro bevono. Voi bevete, una drink. Loro bevono, they drink. Loro bevono. Okay? So, now we'll go to the next one. The next one is sapere. What in be sapere? To know. Io so. I know. Tu way they watch me. Tu sai, you know. Lui sa. Who be lui? He. Lui sa. He knows. Lei sa. She knows. Noi sappiamo. We know. Voi sapete. Una no. You all know. Okay? Then loro sanno. They know. Okay? Then the last one uscire. What it be uscire? To go out. If I want to talk about me, I go say io esco. I go out. Tu esci. You go. Like you go out. He goes out. How you want to talk now? Lui esce. If I want to talk, say she goes out. How I want to talk? Lei esce. Okay? Lei esce. Noi usciamo. We go out. Noi usciamo. We go out. Noi usciamo. We go out, okay? Voi uscite. Voi waiting be. I always stress that one. Voi na una. You all for English, okay? Voi uscite. Loro escono. Let me say they go out, okay? Then we'll do examples. What do they call example for Italian? Esempio. Facciamo un esempio, okay? We'll do example. For instance, now if I say we'll start from bere. If I say in a day I drink 2 liters of water, how I want to talk I will talk say io bevo 2 litri di acqua ogni giorno. Now every day now they drink 2 liters of water. Bevo 2 litri di acqua ogni giorno, or ogni giorno bevo 2 litri di acqua. Now the same thing. If I want to ask you now, you where they watch me, how many water will you they drink? I'll say, quanto bevi? Tu quanto bevi? A giorno. Quanto bevi? Okay. I they ask you now directly, you where they watch me for comment section. Quanta acqua bevi a giorno? Tu quanto bevi? Why I not say bevi? Because I refer to you. Okay? I they ask you now, how many water will you they drink in a day? Then I'll go ask you, quanta acqua bevi a giorno? Okay, so I want you to answer me for comment section. Then for sapere, if I want tell you say, if I want ask you say, you really know Italian language, then I'll go ask you, sai bene la lingua italiana? Why you sai? Because I talk about you. Then if I want to answer you and say, yes, I know, I will tell you say, sì, so bene la lingua italiana. But if I want to tell you say, no, we, take for instance now, you see another person with me now, I go, we'll try convince you now, say, we know Italian language. We can tell you say, I know I can't say so because I don't date more than one person, I don't be we. Sappiamo bene la lingua italiana. Because now, knowing, okay? If I want to tell una no Italian language, I say, voi sapete la lingua italiana? La sapete? La lingua italiana? Because I don't talk about una. You don't pass one person where they watch me now. I don't talk about una. Okay? For instance now, uscire. The uscire where we talk. We will find esempi. What I say be examples. If I want to talk, say if now one example I want to make, I'll say example. But for Italian language, I'll say esempio. Okay? Sometimes Italian language and English, you go be like say they're similar, right? Some words they will be say like they're really they similar. For instance, uscire, what will we talk now? If I want to say, me and my friend now, we day here now, maybe my friend that they call her Jessica. If I want to ask my friend now, which time when you say we go out? Quando usciamo? Because we don't date more than one person now. I they ask now when we go out, quando usciamo? Or if I want to talk, say when did they go? When did they come out? I say quando esco, no? Because we don't they talk about day now. Quando esco, no? Loro, because na loro. Na get. Quando esco, no? Because we don't they refer to loro. I want to conjugate the verb morire. I go do it for the next video. I know say if my Nigerian people just hear morire now, they go say blood of Jesus, blood of Jesus. But not be only to die. Not be only that situation the physically they use them. You physically tell person say, for example, now they die of hunger, something like that. But I go conjugate that one for the next video we will do. This one at the part 2 of irregular verbs. We will still do another part because the verbs are really they plenty. Okay, maybe we'll go back now, maybe we'll conjugate them again, maybe we'll repeat everything again. Okay, waiting be the first one. Bere, right? I say if I talk about myself, I need to say io bevo. Io bevo, I drink. Tu bevi. Tu bevi, you drink. Lui beve. Lui beve, he drinks. Lei beve. Lei beve, she drinks. Noi beviamo. Noi beviamo. We drink. Voi bevete. Voi bevete. You all drink. Loro bevono. Loro bevono. They drink. For instance, now, I will say, if I want to ask you, okay, if you come my house now, I'll come ask you, say, what do you they drink? Cosa bevi? Because I they refer to you. Cosa bevi? If now, most Nigerians, you know, say na beer with it, like, I'll say, bevo la birra. Okay? Bevo la birra. Because why be bevu? Because na me I dey refer to. Now understand? If now more than one person wanna come my house now and I want ask now what you now will drink, I not go fit ask you cause that baby because now don't pass one person cause that baby. Okay? Okay, we will go to another one. Sapere. I tell you say, if I dey talk to myself now, io so, I know. Tu sai, you know. Lui sa, he knows. Lei sa, she knows. Noi sappiamo, we know. Voi sapete, una no. Loro sanno, they know. Okay? So we'll go to the last one, uscire. Io esco. If I want to ask you now, for instance, now, which time will you take to come out in the morning? Quando esci la mattina? I'll come talk say, I dey come out for house around, I dey come out around 7:30. I'll say, esco alle 7:30. Okay? We will reconjugate them again. Io esco. Tu esci. Lei esce. Lui esce. If you now notice, now gonna say lui and lei, now the same way that they always they conjugate them. Okay? Then noi usciamo, we dey comot. Voi uscite, una dey comot. Voi uscite, una dey comot. Loro escono, they dey comot. Okay? Now that time, if I ask you which time you dey comot, quando esci, you tell me say, 8 o'clock, alle 8, esco alle 8. I one day refer to you, I will tell you, say, Nara is now, I'll take come out. Esco alle 8. Okay? So, guys, I really appreciate all of you. Before I close, I need to give you una small work to do. Okay, for instance, now, I want to ask you, tu quando esci di casa? Okay? I'm gonna write them for comment section. I know say they always they go through comment sections. I go then I'll come see whether I'm not really write them well. Okay, for now, guys, we need to close today video. So I really appreciate each and every one of you where they take our time to like comment, like, and all of that. I'm gonna still try they share the video. Okay, one love, God bless. Bye bye.